feels that if today they were to move from a small TV at home to a larger TV, they are paying lots more tax. Or they want to move from a small car or a scooter to a even better family car, even that was higher on the tax according to the perception, and maybe so, because of categories of taxes. And therefore the second parameter was, will it help the middle class to meet their aspirations? If it will, yes, we will reduce that. The third was, will it help farmers? Most often, when we were looking during the 8 years into matters related to farming community, it would be that that item on which the rate consideration had to happen, it used to come under the dual use category. Farmers use it, but others also use it. So for the sake of the farmer, if you were to bring down the way in which people can exploit this, would be they will put it all under the lower tax and saying farmers are buying it, whereas farmers may end up buying out of every 10, only 3 or 4, and the rest might be going for other uses. So we didn't want to treat dual use items, even if it's going to benefit the farmer somewhat, we didn't touch those. But now, when we're looking at it afresh, was there a way in which we can consider items which were useful for the farming community to be brought down? So that was my third filter. The fourth filter was, if it is going to help the MSMEs, one, for their raw material or intermediary products which they need for their production, we should consider them and make them cheaper so that MSMEs don't have to have the burden of input costs going very high, and where necessary also to give the relief through input tax credit, although the larger exercise was also to see this inversion be corrected. So input tax credit comes only when the inversion exists. We wanted to remove it, and to a large extent we've removed. But in exceptional cases like for the farmers, or for not so much for the farmers, but for those items produced for the purpose of farmers, and in the case of MSMEs, we were ready to put up with some kind of a inversion and giving refund or making people use their input tax credit. And the last category, the fifth one which we used while reviewing, was for the sake of the larger economy, particularly at a time when PM is talking about Vikasit Bharat by 2047. Strictly speaking, we have only 22 years more to reach that destination. We have to be rapid about doing a lot of things.